Namaskar everyone. Welcome to the EVS class. Hope you all are doing great. Children, in our previous class, we learned about different types of food, which is chapter 4 of your EVS book. Today we will revise this chapter. So let's start our revision with the new words. Our first new word is cereals. 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 What are cereals? Cereals are the seeds of some plants which we eat regularly at our home. You must have seen wheat. चलो देखा नहीं होगा तो खाया तो होगा. क्या खाया कैसे होगा? Have you eaten चपाती? चपाती किससे बनती है? Wheat से. Yes. And besides wheat, there are some other grains which are included in the category of cereals, like maize, jowar, and bajra. In different places of India, people eat different kinds of cereal. Now, like in North India, people eat wheat. If you go to Rajasthan, there people eat a lot of bajra. And have you eaten popcorn? Popcorn is also made from a kind of cereal. You tell me which cereal? Yes, maize, corn. जो पॉपकॉर्न है वो मेज से बनता है जिसको हम कॉर्न भी कहते हैं. ओके, सो द सेकेंड वर्ड इज पल्सेस. PULSES, pulses. Now pulses, who doesn't know pulses? सभी जानते हैं pulses तो. We eat regularly. डेली हमारी मम्मा बनाती हैं, डेली हम खाते हैं. मैं तो बहुत शौक से खाती हूँ. Do you eat? Do you like pulses? You should eat pulses regularly. Pulses provide protein to our body, जिससे हमारी बॉडी बहुत स्ट्रांग होती है. Pulses में प्रोटीन होता है. There are different kinds of pulses. Okay, like red lentil, green moong, green color की जो दाल होती है ना, that is moong dal. There is a pink or orange color dal that is called red lentil. Gram, जो चना होता है. Chickpeas, जो white चना होता है. And these kidney beans, rajma, they all comes under the category of pulses. The third word is harvest. Harvest means when a crop is ready to cut, the farmer cuts that crop and collect it and further sell it into the market. जब कोई क्रॉप रेडी होती है कट करने के लिए तो फार्मर उसको कलेक्ट करता है और उसको फिर मार्केट में सेल कर देता है. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड हार्वेस्टिंग. फोर्थ इज फ्लेवर. फ्लेवर मीन्स टेस्ट ऑफ एनीथिंग. व्हेन वी ईट एनीथिंग उसका टेस्ट कैसा आता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लेवर ऑफ दैट डिश. Flavor can be of many types like sweet, sour, savory, tangy, spicy. Fifth word is enhance. Enhance means to improve the quality of anything. Like when we add spices to our food, it enhances the flavor of our dish. जब भी हम खाने में स्पाइसेस ऐड करते हैं तो वो उस डिश का जो फ्लेवर है वो बढ़ा देता है ना. तो enhance means to improve the quality. Sixth is abundant. Abundant means available in large quantity. जब भी कोई चीज हमें ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में अवेलेबल होती है तो that is called abundant. What is it called? Abundant. ABUNDANT. Now let's move to the question answers. Our first question is, name 3 important types of food. See, basically we have done 6 food groups, but here we have to write only 3. So let's revise our 6 food groups which we have done already. So the first one is cereals. Second is pulses. Third is spices and oil. Fourth is milk products. Fifth is non-vegetarian. And sixth is fruits and vegetables. Let's revise again. First is cereals. Second, pulses. Third, spices and oils. Fourth, milk product. Fifth, non-vegetarian food. And sixth, fruits and vegetables. So these are the 6 food groups and we have to write any 3 here. Okay, second question is, how is rice usually eaten? See beta, rice can be eaten in so many ways. Everybody has their own way to eat rice. Some people boil it, some people grind it and make a paste. But usually most of the people boil it and eat it with some kind of curry. If we go to south, they eat boiled rice with sambar and they grind the rice, make it a paste and they make dosas, idli, uttapam and so many other dishes. But in North India, people eat boiled rice with some kind of curry. It can be curry, it can be rajma, chana, any kind of dal. So there are so many ways of eating rice, but usually people eat boiled rice with some kind of curry. Third, what is ground wheat called? Name 3 food items we make from it. Ground wheat means pisa hua wheat. What is ground wheat called? Ground wheat is called flour. Have you seen flour? देखा नहीं होगा तो खाया तो होगा श्योर. खाया कैसे होगा? एवरीबडी हैज इटन चपाती. अब वो चपाती किस चीज से बनी होती है? चपाती इज मेड फ्रॉम दैट व्हीट फ्लावर ओनली. यूजुअली चपातीज आर मेड फ्रॉम व्हीट फ्लावर ओनली. तो व्हीट फ्लावर कैसे आता है? व्हीट को पीस कर, व्हीट को ग्राइंड करके व्हीट फ्लावर बनता है. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज, why do we add spices to our food? Why do we add spices? If we will not add spices to our food, will our food taste good? अगर आप फूड को कुक करोगे और उसमें कुछ भी ऐड नहीं करोगे, ना सॉल्ट ना कोई भी तरह की स्पाइसेस, will it taste nice? No ना. So that's why for enhancing the flavor of the food, किसी भी food item के flavor को बढ़ाने के लिए we have to add spice in it. Fifth question is, why do most people in Kerala like to eat fish? केरला के बहुत सारे लोग फिश खाना क्यों पसंद करते हैं? Because Kerala is nearby sea. And in Kerala, because of the sea, fish is available in abundant. In abundant means in large quantity. केरला में सी है, केरला के आसपास सी है, इसलिए वहां पर फिशेस भी ज्यादा हैं. That's why the people of Kerala eat a lot of fish. They love to eat fish. After doing the book exercise, I request you to open your book, page number 18 of your book, 1818. Open. We will revise the book exercise now. So the first part is oral questions. First question is, what are rice, wheat, maize, jowar and bajra called? बताओ. Yes, tell me. Rice, wheat, maize and bajra, they comes under the category of? Yes, correct. Cereals. In which season do we eat fresh mangoes and lychees? Yummy yummy. Mangoes कौन से season में खाते हो? In summers. We get mangoes and lychees in summer. Third, where do coconuts grow? In Kerala or in Kashmir? See children, coconut is grown in the coastal areas. Coastal areas means the areas which are nearby sea. Okay, coconuts are grown in the coastal areas. अब Kerala is a coastal area? Yes. Is Kashmir a coastal area? No. So coconuts are grown in the Kerala. Now second part. You have to tell me whether this sentence is correct or not. Okay. I'll read the sentence. You have to tell me whether it is a true sentence or a false. First is, sambar is a dish cooked with rice and vegetables. It is a false statement. For cooking sambar, we do not need rice. Instead of rice, we need pulses like tur dal, which you call arhar dal also. Okay. Second, apricot, plum, peach and cherry grow best in hot places. No, this is a false statement. Apricot, peach, cherry, they all grow in the cold areas only. Third, turmeric, cinnamon and cardamom are types of spices. I told you about spices. Turmeric, cinnamon, cardamom are spices. Yes, they all are spices. Fourth question. Vegetarians have milk even though it comes from animals. See, vegetarians do not consume the things which we get from animals, but they consume milk because milk comes under the category of vegetarian food. It is a true statement. We can only eat food grown in nearby places. Do we eat only that food which grows nearby our place, nearby our area? No. We can eat the food grown in different parts of country, different parts of world also. With the help of transport, they come to us. So, this is a false statement. Now come to third part, which is filling the blanks. The first is, dosa, idli, uttapam are made from rice or wheat? They made from rice. Beans, peas are types of cereals or pulses. Beans and peas are cereals or pulses? They are pulses. Cabbage, cauliflower and carrot are dash vegetables. You get cabbage, cauliflower and carrot in winters or summer? Carrots कब आती हैं? Winters. Very good. Fourth, people who live near the sea usually eat plenty of fish or meat. Children, I have told you that the people who live nearby sea, they eat a lot of fish. So the answer for this is people who live near the sea usually eat plenty of fish. Fifth, to make food tasty, we add dash spices or water. Do we add water to make our food tasty? Or we add spices? We add spices to our food to make it very tasty and yummy. Now we will learn about few famous food items of few states of India. So first is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is famous for apples. This is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is famous for wheat. The best quality wheat is grown in Madhya Pradesh. Next is Gujarat. Gujarat is famous for groundnuts. Karnataka. Karnataka is famous for coffee. This is Kerala. Kerala is famous for fish and coconut. This is West Bengal. West Bengal is famous for rice. And this is Assam. Assam is famous for its tea production. Assam's tea is world famous tea. Now we have revised this chapter. Now please do the written practice of this chapter again and again in your rough notebook. Hope you will revise it very well. I'll meet you soon. By the time, do take care of yourself and do take care of your parents also. Namaskar.